Here is our list of the top 5 best iPad keyboards you can get right now. The ESR Rebound is a versatile magnetic keyboard that enhances productivity and protection for iPads. It features ultra-strong magnetic attachment, allowing secure positioning in both landscape and portrait modes. The full-size keyboard offers a comfortable typing experience with backlit keys and iPadOS shortcut functions, while the multi-touch trackpad supports gestures for smooth navigation. The adjustable viewing angles and slim lightweight design ensure flexibility and portability. Bluetooth connectivity allows seamless pairing, and the long-lasting rechargeable battery extends usability. Compatible with iPad Air and iPad Pro models, it strikes a balance between functionality, protection, and convenience for users on the go. The Zagg Pro Keys 2 is a feature-rich keyboard case designed for iPad Pro and iPad Air, enhancing productivity and protection. It offers a detachable keyboard for flexibility, laptop-style keys for a comfortable typing experience, and backlit keys with 7 color options for low-light use. The durable polycarbonate case provides 6 feet of drop protection with rubberized edges and corner bumpers. Additional features include an adjustable stand, multi-device Bluetooth pairing, a stylus holder, and a long-lasting battery. With a folio cover for screen protection and forward-facing speaker points, it's a versatile accessory for both work and entertainment. The Logitech K780 is a versatile full-size keyboard designed for seamless multi-device use. It connects to up to 3 devices via Bluetooth or Logitech's unifying receiver, allowing quick switching with Easy Switch technology. The integrated rubber cradle holds tablets and smartphones at a comfortable angle for viewing. Featuring Logitech's perfect stroke keys, it delivers a quiet, responsive typing experience. The keyboard supports Windows, macOS, iPadOS, ChromeOS, and Android. With a 24-month battery life, it ensures long-term usability. Compact yet functional, the Logitech K780 enhances productivity for users managing multiple devices efficiently in a clutter-free workspace. The Logitech Combo Touch enhances the iPad Pro's functionality with a detachable keyboard, adjustable kickstand, and robust protection. Its large responsive trackpad supports multi-touch gestures, offering a laptop-like experience. The backlit keyboard features iPadOS shortcut keys for efficiency, while smart connector technology eliminates the need for charging. The case provides all-around protection and supports Apple Pencil storage and charging. With 4 use modes, type, view, sketch, and read, it adapts to various tasks, making it a versatile tool for productivity and entertainment. The Brydge 11 Max Plus transforms the iPad Pro 11-inch and iPad Air 11-inch into a laptop-like device with a premium design. It features a large multi-touch trackpad for seamless iPadOS navigation, a tactile keyboard with adjustable backlit keys, and a magnetic snap-fit case for easy attachment and removal. Bluetooth 5 ensures instant lag-free connectivity, while its aluminum build adds durability. With a long battery life and dedicated shortcut keys, it enhances productivity. The adjustable viewing angles and laptop-style typing experience make it a versatile option for users seeking a more stable, functional, and premium iPad setup.